In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom a pie chart in Tableau. Whether you're just starting out with Tableau or looking to improve your data visualization skills, this guide will help you create a clear and insightful pie chart. We'll go through each step to enhance your understanding and make the process as smooth as possible. First, let's get started by launching Tableau on your desktop or laptop. Once you have Tableau open, you'll need to navigate to your worksheet. If it's a project you're working on or a blank sheet, simply open it and get ready to dive into pie chart creation. Now move over to the marks card in your worksheet. You'll see the default setting is automatic, but for our purposes, you'll want to switch this to pie. This change sets the foundation for your pie chart, letting Tableau know exactly how you want your data to be visualized. Next, it's time to start feeding the data into your pie chart. Take your categorical dimension, maybe it's something like category or region, and drag it onto the color mark. With this action, you'll see the pie chart divide into colorful slices. Each slice will represent a different member of the dimension you've chosen, giving a visual distinction between the various segments of your data. Once you've set up the categories, the next step is involving your quantitative measure. Think of it as data like sales or profit. Drag this measure to the angle mark on the marks card. Doing so will adjust the size of each slice, making it proportional to the value of the measure. This step is crucial for gleaning insights from the chart, as it clearly shows which categories have the greatest or least contribution based on your measure. With your pie chart taking shape, it's time to make it as visible and impactful as possible. Head over to the toolbar and set the view to Entire View. This will expand your pie chart, allowing it to fill the entire canvas space available, ensuring it's as large and as easy to read as possible. If you want even more control over the appearance, you can further adjust the size of the pie slices. To do this, locate the marks card again and find the size slider. You can drag this slider left or right to increase or decrease the diameter of the pie slices. This flexibility means you can tweak the chart to suit your preferences, whether you want a bold, imposing visual or something more conservative and minimalistic. By following these steps, you now know how to turn raw data into a clear, informative, and visually appealing pie chart in Tableau. Give yourself a pat on the back for enhancing your data skills. Thanks for watching, and happy charting in Tableau.